reserve surrounded by examples of some of our native plants and our coming along with that. As the food chain goes, most animals eat one form or another of plant, or they eat things that eat plants. So plants are the base of the food chain in the desert, very significant and not only for the green vegetation, but many of the desert plants produce a tremendous amount of seeds and flowers and fruits that are significant resources for wildlife. And having these plants in your yard means that you have a little nature preserve right in your backyard or your front yard, as the case may be. This is one of our most common and most beautiful desert trees. This is the Palo Verde. It is a member of the bean family. It's on the list, I think one of the first ones on the list. Palo Verde, everybody, what's Palo Verde mean?
Green branch.
Green stick, right, green stick or green branch. This is a species that photosynthesizes not over or through leaves, although it does that, but it has the ability to photosynthesize on the branches, all of the green, the chlorophyll, which is the green pigment that makes photosynthesis possible. So it's able to be very water efficient. It doesn't produce a lot of leaves, but it does produce these little, very small leaves. It's got nice big thorns to help protect it from being munched. And it really makes a beautiful tree. This one is just growing naturally and taking on a natural form. We have a couple of these in the side yard of our house up the street, which we'll stop at on our way. Palo Verde. P-A-L-O-V-E-R-D-E. 2 words. Palo Verde. But it can be pruned, and so you have a straight trunk and a really nice tree. These plants produce tremendous blooms of bright yellow flowers during the late spring and early summer. Those of you who live here are familiar with that. And as you can see, they also provide nice wildlife habitat. And having birds in your yard is just a wonderful thing for a lot of reasons. They have beautiful songs. Many of them have beautiful colors. They're interesting to watch, and they're really great because they eat a lot of bugs. And they eat a lot of worms, and they eat a lot of things that most of us would consider pests. So they're really a wonderful thing to have as a neighbor, as a garden companion. This is the nest of a bird called the verdin. It's a little bird with kind of a yellowish tinge to it. Really tiny little birds. And as you can see, they build their nest in a very tight ball, which helps to protect it, obviously. That's going to be a little harder for a predator to get to. And in this case, they use a lot of smoke tree branches, which are really spiny and not something that would be easy to get to for some predators.